Hey folks, good morning. Walter, your travel advisor, talking about Alaska. Alaska is one of those absolutely amazing cruises or cruise tours where you combine the land and the cruise. But here's what we're seeing. 2024 Alaska is somewhere up to $1,000 more per cabin than 2023. So if you have the wherewithal to go in 2023, I highly recommend you do that. And this is across the board. All of the cruise lines, we see the prices going up $200, $400, $500, $1,000 more than the exact same cabin in 2023. So if you can do it in 2023, hey, reach out. Just reach out via our contact page, set up a convenient time for us to have a phone call. We just booked somebody on that 14-day Holland America cruise. I'm so jealous. I want to go with her. So amazing. But hey, if you want to do a Alaska cruise or you want to do a cruise tour, set up a time for us to chat on our contact page and let's get you booked. And if you can do it in 2023, you can definitely save some money.